You do not do the works because you want to be saved per se. So it's not that those are the works and then let me do those works so that I can be saved. That's not necessarily how to look at it. The better way to look at it, or the best way to look at it, is that a saved person, so someone who has really believed in Jesus, what will happen is a saved person does have works. Okay, so if a man has really met Jesus, if a person has really encountered Jesus in the true, genuine sense of encountering Christ, Christ does not leave you the same. Christ does not leave you the same. He changes, he transforms, and he does this by the power of the Holy Spirit, which if you read in the New Testament, Christ loved to offer people the Holy Spirit. He loved to, when he met a person, he loved to offer. It is the highest gift that he can offer a person was the gift of the Holy Spirit, because he knows what the Holy Spirit does for a person. That a Holy Spirit is a transforming power. He knows that's the greatest need actually of people right now, is the need for the Holy Spirit. When Adam and Eve sinned in the garden, they lost access to the Holy Spirit, because that's what sin does. It separates from the Holy Spirit. And I'm emphasizing the Holy Spirit because sometimes the Holy Spirit is undermined. It's not really emphasized. So Jesus offered people the Holy Spirit because he knows the Holy Spirit is what transforms a person. So when you encounter true Jesus in truth, in genuineness, sorry, I'm now beginning to even make up words. But if you encounter Jesus in the true sense of Christ, he will transform you. His transforming grace will lead your life to change.